The issue of unintended ignition key rotation in certain vehicles is well known by now. The problem is that very little force may be required for the key to rotate from the run to the accessory or off position. An ignition key with a long slot in its handle, with a heavily loaded ignition key ring at one end of that slot, may generate sufficient leverage to rotate the key unintentionally, perhaps as a result of jolting conditions or being bumped by a knee. In this video, we demonstrate that a handful of inexpensive parts can minimize the likelihood of unintended key rotation. All that's needed are 4 pieces of Velcro, 2 pieces of plastic or metal to be positioned on each side of the ignition key in its run position, and a clamp to hold the assembly together. Here are 2 pieces of Velcro which have been mounted at the exposed end of the key cylinder, positioned so that they will be on each side of the key when it is in its run position. Here are 2 pieces of metal which can be mounted on each side of the ignition key in the run position to lock it from rotating out of the run position. Here is a simple clamp that holds the pieces together. The whole arrangement can be installed in a few seconds. In this position, rotation is much less likely. After installation, the whole arrangement can be removed in a very few seconds. Of course, this video is intended to demonstrate a possible solution to a serious problem, and it is difficult to imagine the key rotating out of the run position. It is easy to imagine how the 2 blocking parts and the clamp could be made into one piece, specific to a given vehicle ignition and specific to a given key size handle.